Hi guys, I'm from Multiplewarnas kitchen and today I'm going to show you a recipe that is easy to make and it's going to taste delicious. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm from Multiplewarnas kitchen and today I'm going to show you how to do Ikan Bawal Sambal. So here I have the Ikan Bawal pieces. I have already cleaned them thoroughly and then coated them with salt as well as turmeric. Now I'm going to fry them. So this is the first step, which is frying the Ikan Bawal. Then I'll show you how to do the sambal. Okay, here I am frying the Ikan Bawal. Once I have fried both the fishes, I'll be back. Okay, here is my fried fish. I have already fried them. Okay, now let's move on to do the sambal. Take a pan, pour oil and heat it up. Okay, now that my oil is hot, I'm going to add garlic, chopped garlic. Chopped onion. Chopped cashew nuts. Chopped red chilies. Then just stir. Then, and my special ingredient is the brinjal. I've cut them into small pieces. Let it cook for a while until the brinjal cooks. Okay, I'm adding ginger garlic paste while the brinjal is still cooking. Some crushed tomato, fresh tomato that I've crushed with pestle and mortar. I'm adding curry leaves also. Okay, now just give this a stir and let the brinjal and the tomato to cook. Let the tomato to become soft and mushy. While my mixture is cooking, I'm going to mix the sauce for it. So for that, I'm adding tomato sauce, chili sauce, but because I already put fresh chilies just now, I'm adding only a little bit of chili sauce, dark soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, just a little bit, and just stir this, mix it. Right after the sauce, I'm adding a little bit of chili paste or chili ball, just a little bit. And using the same container that I mixed the sauce just now, add in required amount of water and pour it inside the sauce. And give this a stir. I'm adding a little bit more onions just to give that nice taste to it. I'm not adding any salt because all the sauces will have sauce in them, as well as the fish itself will have salt as I fried them with salt and turmeric. So just give this a stir, make sure all the ingredients in here is cooked. Then I'll show you what to do next. Just before I take off, I'm adding a bit of pepper. Pepper will give this nice heatiness to it. Lastly, I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice. And as usual, stir. Okay, what I'm doing right now is actually 3 Rasa Sambal. Sorry, I forgot to tell earlier. I said Ikan Bawal Sambal. What I'm actually saying, cooking is Ikan Bawal 3 Rasa Sambal. That's why it has spiciness, sourness and sweetness. I'm adding a bit of sugar for the sweetness. Brown sugar, just a little bit. You can smell it, guys. It smells really good. Okay, my sauce is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. It has all the colors and it looks really good. It smells really good. Okay, now I'm going to off the heat and I'm going to add it to my fish. What I want you to do is put your fish in the serving platter like this. Then just scoop out the sauce and add it on top of them. Make sure all the sauces are out from the pan. Do not waste any goodness of it. Just like this, just add it. Okay, coat your fish like this and give it to rest a few minutes so that the fish soaks up the fantastic spices and taste. And now your Ikan Bawal 3 Rasa sambal is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click the like button. Share this video to your friends and family so they get to check out some incredible recipes. Subscribe to my channel Multiplewarnas Kitchen and see you next time. Bye bye.
பார்த்ததுக்கு நன்றி. அப்படி உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பட்டனை அமுத்துங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஃபேமிலிக்கும், நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் பெல்ல அமுக்குங்க. அப்பதான் நான் எப்பலாம் வீடியோ போடுறேனோ அது உங்களுக்கு உடனே வரும். மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிருங்க. நன்றி.